Hello guys, welcome back again. As you can see, these beautiful flyers, although we've done something similar to this, but imagine you wanting to create a flyer for an ewa-going kitchen for mama put. Just see how simple it is and beautiful. So I love using this color. Yeah, I'm using this design, but this is the last time I'm teaching you this design. So I would like you to concentrate on how I'm going to use these tools one by one using Pixellab app. You can download it on Play Store. So first, as you can see, this is my Pixellab app. So I'm going to choose color, but first remember to always choose size that you want to use for your flyer in the 3 dotted line up. So now I want to write text. As you can see, I pick my shape first. I pick something like curve, then I resized it to whatever size I want. If you have not watched the previous video on our flyers, please do well to do that. If you watched it, you have idea on what I'm doing already. So I'm trying to resize it to see if it can give me the particular shape I have on my head. But remember, before you design anything, make sure you have a sample of flyer of what you are doing, just like what you can see earlier. So I have that idea of what I want to do on my head. So I look for a shape that will give me that design on the flyer. So as you can see, the shape is already color white. So I'm trying to size it and to shape it to the right way so that it can match exactly what I want to do. So as I'm placing it, I'm seeing that it's not giving me the size I want. So it has given me what I want, so I have to lock it. So after locking it, I had to bring another shape, that circle shape, as you can see, up. So I changed the color to red. I see it's not fine. So let me see if I can stroke it instead of changing the color. So I increase the opacity, it's not okay. So I stroke it, I increase it to give me 17 or stuff like that. So as you can see, so and I leave the color as white. Then I doubled it to give me the same thing. I copied it again. I click copy to give me 3 shapes. So I try to adjust it. But first I went to texture to pick pictures of what I want. So I'm picking picture of food. As you can see, I first pick chicken. Yes, chicken. Then I resize it to the shape I want and place it in a circle. Then I click on texture again for the second circle to pick first I resized the one I picked earlier before going to the next circle. As you can see, then I went to the second one and resize and pick picture of what I want. So I'm picking going now for the second picture, as you can see. So I try to adjust it and to resize it to the right one, as you can see. Then I went to the third one, pick texture, and went to the picture to pick the second picture of my food that I want to be my flyer. But I resized it to the shape I want, as you can see on the picture. So I on the enable to resize to the right picture I want it to be, and I move the scale. You just adjust it to the way you want, anyhow you want it to be. Now it's looking beautiful, isn't it? So I went to the plus up there to try to pick another picture again and move it down. So I can see that the picture is not fine. So I went to resize it again and pick another picture again. That's a picture. So I now click circle, as you can see down here by the right. So it shaped the picture already for me. So I try to adjust it and click the OK. Then I resize it and place it in the right part down. Then I try to reduce the opacity so that to make it more beautiful. Clicking opacity, I adjust it. Can you see? It reduces how visible the picture is, and I click OK. So I went to click my text to write something on it. I edited the text. I click on the text and click edit down. And I change that edit and write ewa-going kitchen. Then I try to adjust it to the right place. So the next thing I do now is I went to see if I can change the font. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel if you're enjoying this. So I went to change the font. As you can see, I'm already changing the font, trying to look for the right font to use. I did not see. Keep scrolling and scrolling. Just pick any font you want. Just make sure that the font is something presentable, something that match the flyers. You can Google it to check type of font to use on flyer for food, so it will tell you the name of font you can use. So I place it right and try to adjust it. Then I went to pick another picture for my logo. So you can pick any logo you want. If you have a logo, no, don't pick any logo, use your own logo, don't use someone's logo. So I'm trying to look for the logo on my album. But do not forget to like, share, subscribe and enjoying our videos. For more videos, after subscribing, on your notification so that I can receive alerts on more videos and enjoy. So now I've seen my logo. I try to circle it by picking the circle down here by the right. Then I click on OK and adjust it to the right place it ought to be at the up of the flyer. So any logo you have in mind, do well to put it. Then I copy the Our Going Kitchen to change the text by putting at Mama Put. I'm sure you've heard of Mama Put before, so I'm just using this as a sample. So just put any name, the name of the flyer or whatever customers you have their name on it. So I copied it again and change and write free delivery for the picture I put down. Then I changed the color to color black so that it can be visible as you can see, and try to adjust it to the right part where it can be okay. Then I click okay, as you can see. So just adjust it the way it is nice. Our picture is getting ready. Then I copied the Mama Put again and changed the text to contact also. Remember, any flyer it must have a contact. So as you can see, I'm writing my contact here, so feel free to put your contact. Then I place it down as you can see on the screen, but it's color white, so I have to change the color to color black so it can be visible for for now. This is black, so I want it to be more beautiful. So I want to change the color. Looking for the color now. My contact. So to adjust the contact in front of the circle, first I change the color. You can see that the contact is at the back, so I went to that shape up there and move the circle down to where the contact is. So I extended my circle to give it an oval shape, then I place it. So I change the color of the contact to white so that it will be more visible, as you can see. So then I adjusted it and return the sweetest chicken, adjusting each of the text as you can see on the screen. So let's leave it like this. I think it's better. Can you see? So you just adjust it to the right one that you can see. So just work with it, restore on it. You can even make something better than the one I did. So the purpose of this video is just to teach you how to use those tools. If you pick some of those tools earlier, so you export your picture, click on JPEG or PNG you want, and click on Ultra, which is the highest gravity that you can use for the picture, then save to gallery. So our picture is already saved, so you can save it as a project for a later pass, probably if the owner of the flyer wants an edit. So that's the purpose of saving it on the project. So as you can see on the screen, our flyer is ready, so feel free to adjust it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now, till the next